Imagine we could be our own best friend. This practice that I want to share is a more contemplative practice. And what I mean by being our own best friend is the practice is about stepping into this role of a best friend or maybe even a parent, and that a loved one, whether it's your child or a close sibling, somebody that you really love comes up to you and tells you that they need to talk. And they're not looking for solutions or feedback. They really just need somebody to listen. And the approach to the practice is that we step into this role as that very open hearted, open minded person, and we listen to our own thoughts, feelings, and emotions. So we step into this role of a very loving parent, best friend, right? Open heart, open mind, and we listen to our own thoughts, feelings, and emotions. So generally you want to find a comfortable position for the physical body. Ideally, we don't have a lot of external distractions so that you can focus on what's going on within your mind. Good idea is to start focusing on the breath. As you focus on the breath, the mind will reveal itself. And we're acknowledging anything that arises. We're not trying to suppress anything that comes up for us, and we listen. No judgment, no criticism, and we're not trying to fix anything. Even if something comes up for me that I feel like I want to change in my life, or there's some sort of internal discord, I remind myself to step into the role of that neutral witness. And I find that this practice is a really good way for me to check in with myself, with seeing where I'm at that day or that moment. I feel like this has given me permission not to have all the answers, even if there is a problem that might arise while I'm doing this practice. And I think it's a really good way to self-validate and self-reflect in a way that's non-harming. One of the other reasons why I like this practice is that you can do it in a lot of different scenarios. So for instance, I taught class a couple weeks ago and prompted students to do this during Shavasana. I will sometimes do this practice right before I go to bed, first thing when I wake up in the morning, or sometimes if I feel overwhelmed or I'm having a hard time focusing on the task at hand or I'm getting frustrated with something, I'll step away from that project, and even for a few minutes, I'll do this practice. So I found it to be pretty profound. Hopefully you will too. Give it a shot and let me know how it goes.